See, so now you're ready to throw in the chicken. And just cook the chicken. Stir it really good. And you can pretty much immediately put in all the sauces. So you have the, I'll save the dark soy sauce for later. You have your chicken bouillon, your soy sauce, honestly, there's really no special order when you can throw in your sauces because it's all gonna go on the meat and the rice and the vegetables, and you're gonna stir it all together very well. So it's all going in the same place about the same time. And there's like so many different ways to make fried rice. This is just one simple, easy, quick ways. I'm going to let the chicken cook a little longer. Maybe another 2 minutes. Then I'll throw in the rice. So the chicken is like 90% cooked, if not more. I did cover it with a lid for a minute. And now I'm ready to throw in the rice and all the other seasonings and the vegetables. Just stir it really good, or beat it. Get all the lumps, clumps, whatever you call it, as fine as you possibly can. Stir, stir, stir. Some medium high heat. There's some very stubborn lumps. So now I'm going to add the vegetables and the dark soy sauce to make it darker and sweeter, and all the other sauces. Look how pretty. See? Colorful. This thing is very dark and sticky. So, and sweet. Why it's called sweet soy sauce. I might need a little more than that. And then your fish sauce, which is salty. And if it's not salty enough, you can always add salt, soy sauce, or fish sauce. Okay. Now I have all the sauces in there. I'm going to just stir it really well for the next 2 minutes, and then I'm going to cover it for like a minute. So I covered it. No, I actually didn't cover it, but I stirred it for like 2-3 minutes. Tasted the rice, and it tastes really, really good, very flavorful. So I don't need to really add any other sauces to it. I'm going to take a shortcut and throw my 2 eggs right there in the corner. So I want extra protein for my little Ethan. I need protein too, but especially him. He's very strong, but he needs some meat. All my boys could use some meat. So there's 14 grams of protein from the 2 eggs, and I don't know how much protein from the chicken, but that should do it. That should cover our protein needs for dinner. So I'm going to let the egg cooked. Let me see if you can see it. Oops. As you can see right there, now my eggs are completely cooked, and I'm going to scramble it and stir it all up and mix the rest of the rice with it. And the last thing I want to do is throw in my hot basils, kapow. I love hot basils. My absolute favorite basils in the entire world. Love them. So thankful God created them, because I cannot foresee living without them. No, just kidding. I'm sure I can live without it, but it is one of my favorite herbs in the whole planet. And my fried rice is complete and ready to be served. See if you can see it. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy to my tummy. I hope you'll try the recipe. It's quick, easy, and yummy.